Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I would love to share a no deposit bonus for you guys to trade and withdraw profits. It's been a while since I last posted a video, and that is due to some school issues. But I'm back now, and I'll be uploading a lot of no deposit bonuses where you can trade and withdraw profits for free. So if you'd like this kind of content, and if you're an aspiring forex trader, this is a channel that you should subscribe to. So please do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. In here, I post content on forex insights and how to be a profitable trader, as well as no deposit bonuses like this. Now, if you are new to this channel and you have no idea, or probably you are new to forex, you do not understand what a no deposit bonus account mean. Like the name implies, no deposits, right? So it's an account given to you by new brokers, so they can get you to register with them, right? So it's like a welcome gift, a promotion that new brokers offer to their new users so they can trade, right? So it's like a demo account, but unlike a demo account, in here you can withdraw the profits made from that demo account. So that's what a no deposit bonus means. So the bonuses, or should I say, the profits that you make from that bonus account that they will give to you, you can withdraw depending on the terms and condition. Right. So that's what a no deposit bonus account is. So today I have a Headway no deposit bonus account, and the link to this site will be shared in the description. Click on it, come here and click on get $111. It's weird to have $111 as a no deposit bonus, but that's what we have here. So just click on it and let it load. Alright, so quickly, let's just use our Google to sign in. Alright, cool. So let's go to our dashboard. Alright, cool. So now that we are here, um what we need to simply do is click on get the bonus here, right? Now click here. Okay, now this is the bonus. The bonus ends in 6 days, right? So as you can see, um you've been given your login and password and server and everything. So you have to go to your either mt4, mt5, and then you log in with it, right? Okay, so okay, it's for mt5, right? MetaTrader 5, right? So you have to use mt5 to get this bonus. So this is the login details. You can use my login details if you want. Okay, to show you what I mean, I am going to log in my mt5, and so you see for yourself, right? Okay, so I just logged in my mt5, and as you can see, this is the bonus up and running, right? If you look here, it's written contest, right? So it's like a live account, more like a live account, right? But you have to you know make some profits, some certain amount of profits by following the terms and conditions before you can withdraw, right? And keep in mind that the bonus ends in 6 days, so make sure you click on the link in the description to get this bonus as quickly as possible, right? So this is how to get this bonus: quick, easy, and without stress. Please, I'm begging you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, as I'll be uploading another easy no deposit bonus like this um very very soon. So thank you guys very very much. The terms and conditions, like I stated earlier, right? I'm going to post it in my Telegram channel, right? I'm going to post everything about this bonus, terms and conditions necessary to pass this bonus. I'm going to post it in my Telegram channel, right? So please and please click on the link in the description to get there. And yeah, see you in the next one. Please subscribe. Thank you guys very very much. Peace out.